This is a K&N filter that I got for my wife's 2019 BMW. I like it because it's something that's reusable, recyclable. I don't have to buy a new filter every time. It ends up being very economical for me to do this way. I have them on all my vehicles so that I don't have to buy a new one every time I change my oil. It works well. It filters out real good. I notice when the oil changes between, they're not real dirty. When I take this K&N filter out, I use a synthetic air filter cleaner that's made by K&N. So I basically just spray it, let it soak in for 10 minutes. And then I come back with lukewarm water and rinse it out. I tend to just rinse the filter out, okay? And you'll notice it gets the filter real clean. You don't want to use high pressure water. You want to use low pressure water. Because the worst thing you can do is perforate the filter with high pressure water. So I don't do that. Once this filter's dry, I'm not going to do it right now, but what I do when it's dry is I spray the filter very lightly before I put it back in the car. It basically oils the filter that's in here, the fabric that's in here, the fiber that's in here, so that it picks up dust better as it comes through the filter. That's what it does. So.